Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So there is a big update for you that .NET 10 is released now, or it is officially announced that .NET 10 is released on 11th of November, and the latest version of the .NET 10 is 10.0.0, and the status is active, which means that you can download the .NET 10 SDK, and you will be able to create your ASP.NET Core applications using .NET 10. Or if I tell you one thing that if you want to create your applications in the .NET 10, then you have to require another Visual Studio, which is Visual Studio 2026 Insiders. Okay, and in the like in my previous videos I told you that how you can install Visual Studio 2026 in your low-end PCs. Okay, or you will be able to use .NET 10, because if you want to create applications in the .NET 10, then you won't be able to create applications in the Visual Studio 2022 2019, because it is not compatible with the .NET 10. Visual Studio 2026 separately for the .NET 10. Okay, or in the upcoming videos we will see that how we can create the projects, and I will tell you the everything about .NET 10. Okay, or there is two videos which I have already uploaded regarding .NET 10 new features and .NET 10, and we all know that .NET 10 comes with the C# 14. Okay, or if I tell you that what's the features of .NET 10, okay, then you can find it on official website of Microsoft. There you will be able to find the features of C# 14. But if you want a dedicated video on it, so I already created on my YouTube channel. Okay, the link will be available in the description box of this video. Or the video is divided into the two parts. There I explain each and every feature in detail, so that you will be able to know that how the .NET 10 is far different from the previous versions of the .NETs. Or C# 14 is a very excellent version of a C#. Okay, and it comes with the excellent features as well, like .NET 10. Okay, so like you will be able to download the .NET 10 SDK. Okay, and it comes with the long-term support, which means that if you go here, okay, and while you scroll down, then you will see that long-term support comes with the years of updates, and standard term support comes with the 2 years of update. Okay, so it means that you will get updates on .NET 10 for further 3 years. Or it's 11th of November and we got .NET 10, so we will be able to use .NET 10 in our Visual Studio 2026. So if you haven't installed Visual Studio 2026 in your PC, so let's get a start and creating the .NET 10 applications in the Visual Studio 2026. And installation guide of Visual Studio 2026 will be in the description box. Okay, so the video is provided in the description box. So just after watching this video, just go to that video, then you will be able to install Visual Studio 2026 without any issues. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till here. So here is the main purpose of to tell you that the .NET 10 is released now. Okay, so till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.